Hello bachcho, let's see the question. In meiosis, the daughter cells differ from parent cell as well as amongst themselves due to A. Segregation, independent assortment and crossing over, B. Segregation and crossing over, C. Independent assortment and crossing over, D. Segregation and independent assortment. So हमें ये पूछा गया है कि in meiosis जब daughter cells form होते हैं वो differ होते हैं from parent cell क्योंकि हमारा यहाँ की concept है meiosis. ये meiosis is a cell division where the cell divides two times. यहाँ two times division होती है. एक होती है reductional division और दूसरी बार होती है equational division. यानी reductional division जहाँ diploid set of chromosomes will divide into haploid cells. यानी two haploid cells form होते हैं और वो two haploid cells produce करते हैं four daughter cells which are haploid. So यहाँ हुआ reductional और यहाँ हुआ equational. So reductional division में क्या होता है? यानी reductional division is nothing but meiosis 1. meiosis 1 में क्या होता है? पहला स्टेप में segregation होता है यानी homologous chromosomes segregate होते हैं. homologous chromosomes segregate होते हैं. They form pairing with homologous chromosomes and there is the bond formation between the homologous chromosome. तब क्या होती है? The homologous chromosome bond with each other, जो इसको कहते हैं synapses. यहाँ bonding होती है random, which they have no pattern, so इसको कहते हैं independent assortment. और next क्या होता है? Next में there is a exchange of material. यहाँ independent assortment यानी bond formation जो होता है वो randomly होता है. उसके बाद there is a exchange of material. वो random attachment में ही exchange होता है material और इसको क्या कहते हैं? Crossing over. So it is followed by 3 events यानी segregation और उसके बाद independent assortment यानी randomly there is a assortment और last is crossing over. So the right option here is A. Segregation, independent assortment and crossing over. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.